Today we're going to do some subtraction, and we're going to start off with subtraction, decimal fraction subtraction using hierarchical materials. So here's our problem. 2 and 31 hundredths minus 1 and 9 tenths. And our first one's going to be takeaway subtraction. So here's the setup, 2 and 3 tenths and 1 hundredths minus 1 and 9 tenths. So here's my setup. The setup again in subtraction, no matter what kind of subtraction you do, is the first number is put out as a manipulative, and the second number, the number that you're taking away, is written out. So now we're going to solve the problem. So it says here I have to take away 9 tenths. Okay, well, I don't have to take away any hundredths, so that's okay. I'll get this out of the way here. So that's okay there. So I'm going to record, because that's what I have so far left over. I have 1 hundredths. Now I'm going to take away 9 tenths. 1, 2, 3. Oops, I don't have enough, so I have to make a trade. I make a trade here. 10, I made a trade, so I better record that. I made an exchange. And I should now have 13 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Aha! My written record's correct so far. So now it's telling me I've got to take away 9 tenths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tenths. They're taken away, they're gone. I record what I have left over. I've got 4 tenths left over. I'm taking away one of these ones. So I have 0 ones left over. Put my decimal point to tell me that's 4 tenths and 1 hundredths. So 2 and 31 hundredths minus 1 and 9 tenths equals 41 hundredths. Okay, I'll do another problem. Let's do 3 and 1 tenths minus 1 and 243 thousandths. So I better set up my problem. Here's my 3 and 1 tenth minus 1 and 243 thousandths. There's my setup. Okay, so it's telling me to take away 1 and 243 thousandths. So here's my 3 and 1 tenths. I've got to take away 3 thousandths. I don't have any thousandths, so I better start making a trade here. So let's see. I've got to make a trade of my tenths for hundredths, because I need hundredths. Okay, so I make it a trade here. So I'm going to record that. I don't have any more tenths, but I've got now some hundredths there. But I still need to take away thousands. I don't have any thousands. Oh, I can make a trade here. So I better record that because now I only have 9 there. and I'm making it exchange for thousands. There's my thousands. So I've got 10 thousandths there. Better keep a written record there. Okay, now at least I've got thousands I can take away. So here we go. I'm going to take away thousands. 1, 2, 3. We're taken away, and I have 7 left. I have remember I have 9 hundredths here telling me to take away 4 hundredths. And I have 5 hundredths left. Now I've got to take away 2 tenths. Oh no, I don't have any tenths. But I do have some ones. So I'm going to make a trade there. So I better record that up here, because now it says I've got 10 tenths. Okay, now I can take away 2 tenths, and I have 8 tenths left, and I take away one of the ones, and I have 1 ones left, and my final answer is 1 and 857 thousandths. That's takeaway subtraction, decimal fractions, takeaway subtraction using hierarchical materials.